Hey foodies and history buffs, ever wonder about the story behind one of the UK's most iconic dishes? It's a tale of two delicious cultures coming together to create a classic. That's right, we're talking about fish and chips. But did you know this dish is a blend of Jewish fried fish traditions from Spain and Portugal and Belgian French fries? Jewish refugees brought their culinary secret of frying fish in oil to London in the 17th century. Later, in the 1860s, the first fish and chip shops started popping up, combining the crispy golden fish with fried potatoes, and a legend was born. Traditional fish and chips are simple yet perfect: a fresh fillet of cod or haddock, coated in a light, crunchy batter, served with thick-cut, fluffy chips. It's more than just a meal. It's a cultural institution, a staple of seaside towns, a Friday night treat, and a symbol of British heritage. Today, you can find fish and chips all over the world, from Australia to Canada, each with its own local twist. It's a dish that has truly stood the test of time. So next time you dig into this classic combo, remember the incredible journey it took to get to your plate. What's your favorite thing to have with your fish and chips? Please let me know in the comments.